However, I'm Little Hamster and today I'm going to show you how to draw a hamburger. Okay, now let's first do a sketch. After sketch, we will do the marker things. Okay, now let's first do a bread and do some tomatoes and some cheese that we made and the bottom bread. Okay, now it's eyes. The eyes will dum-dum. Okay, now we finished the eyes, so it's time to draw the little dots. The little dots are so cute. Okay, now we are going to coloring. The coloring pen is YR2. I don't know why it's the 2. YR2. Okay, now we finished the drawing except for the tomato. So let's do tomato with the red pen that is use Copic. Okay, when the Copic is finished, we can do the cheese with the yellow with Y2. I don't know why is it 2. Okay, now when we finish the cheese, we are going to do some green pen on the vegetable, and it is really quick. Okay, now it's time for meat. The meat is the yummiest part in hamburger. Okay, now let's do the bottom bread. I think the bottom bread needs a small mouth so that it will look beautiful. Okay, now let's do the hands. Okay, now let's do the feet. Okay, now let's do...
Why you always say okay?
I like to.
Okay.
Well, but now let's finish the coloring and let's say hello. Okay, now let's do the eyes. Okay, now let's do the other eyes. Okay, now it's Daddy's time. Oh yay, we finished it.